Omogusio Minto, Simba Arati has responded to Fred Matiang'i. Just take a look.
Aenda soma achete ko soma speech president abantu bakamogerera nkaminyoki una ninje nabanga ahogerero eriye kirare ngoro serikali yarengengia lakini rero kero basoke ko mume serikali nembe o Simba obeire nyamenwebere nero gusali gesaku nkiyo ngosali nimbwate myaka 56 imanye ko kuso mwako ni bwemye yesitaira na nenda de mater eba sero konye korande se myaka 10 ndio bis nyasaye kangero mo.
So Omogusio Minto asimamita Fred Okengo Matiang'i nali tayari obe determined nali focused asekanka yae yokoba omurai bwense in 2027, and the whole of last week Fred Okengo Matiang'i ase amatukata to mbatwalete etaro yabo ase gusi usichinseme chichi agusi asbalenge amo nabarai ba United Opposition usichi principles cha United Opposition, the likes of Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, the likes of Rigathi Gachagua, Martha Karua, Peter Munya no retali ase abo boli ba United Opposition but no mosani imekagima umwaka Fred Okengo Matiang'i. And that is the first time Matiang'i korwa somo noe agwoneti omonto yokurunga governor Simba Paul Arati.
Hii style hii MCS wanatishu hapa eti kwa na Matiang'i musangerekano go wakwa. You actually don't know what you are trying to play with. Moja kwa ngendile sakwenye njeke na moto ila gabuto chago pimana na inu iko moranganye. I'm telling you. Kwa sababu natali moyo. Yeah, so totu aroma lembe tosikane tosikabara ibaito no yemba libakele chikura. Tobasike kero montako le tamu ya yale meli tengolia baka kore ndukie akole. Lakini talinga iko gocha gotianira bantu bande obatebi omuntu nabatebi abantu nganje ndago kolere Matiang'i. Aba kuzimu anje nkoru. Yani nganje ndago kolere Matiang'i. Okwerora kukunkwara nganje ngakiora nkole. Aba kusia abanzi bakole. Batige manganaya wache hii maneno. Tomenye no molembe naende batwara masikani to ibana ndire. Lakini nyamba batwara masikani na botoko babundisa masikani. Talibo. Mwabundisa abantu bande masikani tawo nyayigoro. Na keroka bakababundisa. Na ene tigamba tebi dero tinda itukwera na maigo this matter onyo muntu ojo tema ko interview ne mesangerekano yetu to koraga na boto ko morokia masikani tomo bundisa to ibana ndire. That is it. Basically na into to basike I will respect them. I have restrained myself because I carry the burden of leadership with responsibility. Tosika bantu bali to once bunegeza mtu anakora mana bawanya chaimba gamba onyo kamba gamba ga sagini bagamba ga mtu anakora mekone yena onyo oyo ndongo ana bega bana emi ejitamu bere mtu anakora bantu ne miore town yeme yo chikiango yani eme ina robo gambi hapana. Tosikane tosika bantu baito egende kera kyo goita bantu ba minto oitera manyinga yo mugusi ngane gezo ko liyo gambi otire liyo gambi bwao. I can tell you tego ko irandons
nore na abasani bali baenge na Fred Okengo Matiang'i una Rigathi Gachagua na take an opportunity to warn Simba Paul Arati, in fact kumuita yeye the project wa Kasongo.
Kuna msemaji mwingine hapa Bonoko alikuwa anasema ati nisikuja Kisii. Hapa Kisii ni kwa mama yake. Ni kwa mama yake. Rigiji amefika hajafika. Kama mimi nimealikwa na my cousin Fred Matiang'i, si ninatakiwa nikuje? Si Matiang'i ndio kiongozi wa jamii? Matiang'i akisema nikuje, wewe ni nani?
Simba Dinki. Simba Dinki. Simba Dinki. Mwaka Fred.
So it was very clear that Fred Okengo Matiang'i and the team are so determined. Anybody sitting on the fence, anybody is pretending, because it is very clear now that Simba Arati is working with President William Samoei Ruto.
Ruto mwenyene na Raila iba watan toko boko. Ninche deputy ya Raila. Otoile sa serikali hiyo. Na tebringa ki Raila gaso murojin maite ninche ga wende ko take over kure Raila. Lakini ngachikorenga ngaki abagera aba ebara anzi kise juma pem. Ninche na propose yo buru. Ngatenga uburu tikabwa tere kinda na amba ibere muchana tokole tiki toyo. Muga kolia kerata arosire. Aba ninga Simba genda asikete. Na agenda nyakita ninche ngore tiki. Ninche ndoro. Mo wanja engombe inyerete gabo basi mure tayari ndagite nkolega nkumu borende na lie pare ye tumubona ne pare na bintu binde ekiaranta gete tokoro mukutano nere atari kominyoka tuisaranse na ande mutenga banda abane mbago isaranse bzo kibakurire lazima bagende ngabako bagogete mo wanja boygo tigango ndo basoko bako bali bali tayari tigango ndo arwatu tamu gago sema.
And unless a miracle happens, we are not going to see anytime soon that Simba Arati sasa atageuka aanze kusema Matiang'i tosha. Remember, I also advised Simba Paul Arati that this behavior, this attitude, tabia, you are sitting on the fence is not going to help you. At least be on the side. Because Simba Arati ntu anyolete abwato bokora ngati bono tubwate litimulite tokonya gotie. Lakini boniga ntubwate ng'ombe borete tigatoranye kama tukame ng'ombe mpaka kero ya osirie tumaya kuira na seliti mulito. That is sitting on the fence. Unakanyaga hapa na hapa, and that was not good for you. At least choose a side. Stand there, stand firm. Let people see you as a bold man. You were darling to Omogusi in 2022. Stop tainting your name. In fact, wacha kukaa muoga, kaa kama Simba. And probably Simba was like, nimekusikia, wacha basi nikai na msimamo. And right now, it's very clear that Simba Arati is pro William Samoei Ruto. And it's very clear that these other guys, the likes of Fred Okengo Matiang'i, are opposed, at least for what we see. Najua in politics, huwezi jua game zenye watu, politician wana play. But at least in what we see, these guys like Fred Okengo Matiang'i in united opposition are very clear. They are anti-William Samoei Ruto. They want to make William Samoei Ruto a one-term president. Period. Yes. And when somebody like Simba Paul Arati anasimama anasema kwamba mtobwate litimuli tutokonya gotiere batiboni yango ya kabatole ng'ombe. That was like sitting on the fence. Na msimamo wa Simba Arati as by now is that Fred Okengo Matiang'i tawe timolero. Montole timolero omo president obono William Samoei Ruto. So it was very clear that he's not going to support Fred Okengo Matiang'i. That is why Fred Okengo Matiang'i amotebeti maisomarole mwaso igoro umwana Simba. Simba, please, esteli yego tomachi guns chiwatake misengerkana yaito okobe ole protected the government ya William Samoei Ruto, yani government ya President William Samoei Ruto ego facilitated chiguns chitomira na Simba obuno bombochu obuno bochi obuno bochoni and tiga o gosoli bune. That is why Matiang'i was so bold akamotenga tiga egosoli bune tiye kome wanzira lero. And Matiang'i means business. And what is the ground saying? Ajira atakama uko na pesa aje, atakama you may have the guns, but the ground kiraba bengire nyakibakola chigunsi chile chiko echikobwa. Because you see, Matiang'i is now the new spokesperson yomugusi. You have seen last week nabete kuidinishwa rasmi koba omonogeri bumugusi kurwase Simba Arati oyuko nyokwero kanganere omonogeri bwa egesaku kia omugusi. So this is my advice to Paul Simba Arati. You have seen, and I've been saying this. I don't know, mbona mkona macho lakini hamuoni. I've been saying this. You have seen the ground. The ground is pro Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Now let me tell you, now wacha ni repeat hivi. If the united opposition is the front candidate Fred Okengo Matiang'i kupigana ama kumit President William Samoei Ruto at the ballot, let me assure you, wewe ni one term, Ruto ni one term. Kama united opposition itashirikiana. 2, kama Matiang'i ataenda moja kwa moja, whether with the support of united opposition ama alone, wacha nirudie pia, Simba Paul Arati, wewe de facto ni nyumbani, wewe ni one term. Unless a miracle happen, William Samoei Ruto asonge, that's where unaweza chaguliwa ukae kama waziri maybe ama any other state job, but kurudi kama gavana wa Kisii itakuwa ngumu na itakuwa ngumu zaidi. So my advice is we know, sisi pia tunaelewa wewe uko in a dilemma, we understand that, understand it. So I think restrain yourself from attacking Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Restrain yourself. Tigapi to mochoria Fred Matiang'i. Tigapi some ground. I think I know mungai niole mko understand the ground ibuna kiri some ground yegetebete Fred Okengo Matiang'i. A ground nabokira gusasokere because no manyire asokuru tongoro, but genuine ground ekero abantu bali neutral or other factors remaining constant. A ground ekirasa omusike Fred Okengo Matiang'i omwana bw'eriraba ekoba. This is the first time from 2022 omugusi agochigotwara a candidate in the name of Fred Okengo Matiang'i. So maragamba ligeti n'abandi but seed ekorekana nga ne germinate Fred Okengo Matiang'i. That is why omugusi omugima abwatirwa se ribo elimo akere akechikura buna obomo buna kwa pamoja erinde asokie omusike Fred Okengo Matiang'i na ataya chikura na butogotwara gentokoronga bargaining power. Power tunataka power, bargaining power tokonyora na butoko isaransa setebo totwa SMS ya negotiation as chigotoka because we have been having brokers since then. It is the first time to chigotwara na into monto ito as a negotiating table omwana Fred Okengo Matiang'i timbo atia mange mugusio minto asimwabeta you know the ground bali bala se ground mumete ground yake kote aba Fred Okengo Matiang'i in fact 90% asobo tokina kola bwango iga na simbarati I don't know some ground tata elinde to chago te banga ki because mimi nakuona kama somebody who has the potential to be something also in future because ntoroche bin ubuno ko ira siasa but to ganie ochake yani mitobike bikutantani orwase abantu bali bako babwate faith on you. So I don't have much to say. You've had umuntu umugusi omugema timaite birangalo byao mbirebe naboko na sabo ndikire birangalo byao as a comment section oinyore ko like video na inde toeba ko subscribe kanyetoranya ko subscribe nyora ebinte ibyo nsimbosa ko subscribe ko like no ko share ebibyo nsimbosa and it's one of the way you will support us channel mbyamono tomerane in the next video eri taliane ngoro ko AC Bon neye Ngosi TV.